Sendiio is the first and only autoresponder that combines the power of email marketing, text message marketing and FB Messenger marketing all under one central dashboard, with zero monthly fees. With Sendiio you can now tap into the 3 most profitable marketing channels in one dashboard. You no longer have to wonder if email is best, text is best or Facebook Messenger is best. This product was launched on the 21st of February 2019 and get more than 5,500 plus sales in total. Looks so curious, right? If you buy with my link you can get extra bonuses. Bonus 1, LinkedIn Traffic Generation Video Upgrade. Get LinkedIn traffic and easy authority. Bonus 2, IM Guide to Viral Marketing. Get ready to give your business a huge upgrade, because you're about to discover the time-saving, profit-boosting magic of viral marketing. Bonus 3, Underground Traffic Sources. Learn the underground traffic sources. If you are a blogger, affiliate marketer or any online business owner, traffic is essential, as this is the lifeblood of any type of business you built on the internet. The thing is that, you have seen many articles and videos teaching you the general ways how you can drive traffic to your website, and the sad part is that everybody is doing it. Well, the good is that there are still some traffic generation techniques that usually been used, and because of this reason you will not be mixed to the crowd. Bonus 4, Profit Maximizer. The trouble is in knowing exactly how to make money with it so you can maximize your profits. With this report you will learn fast and easy ways to maximize your profit with PLR. Bonus 5, Zyber Email Assistant. Bonus 6, Traffic Explosion Secrets. Bonus 7, ClickBank Cash Cow Secrets. Bonus 8, Work at Home Methods Unleashed. What is new in Sendiio 2.0? Sendiio 2.0 is the latest release of Sendiio, an autoresponder application. The 2.0 version is the first and the only autoresponder that incorporates your texts, emails and Facebook Messenger all in one dashboard, that too for a very affordable one-time price. The 2.0 upgrade comes with a range of features packed into a single platform. Some of the salient specifications include: A. Tagging automation on steroids. The application lets you stay in close proximity with every one of the subscribers on your list. You can tag them at different points in your timeline, whether it's when they join or during the follow-up process. You can also track their activity on your broadcasted messages and tag them in accordance to that. You also have the liberty to remove the tags anytime you want. B. Agency grouping feature. An especially noteworthy feature that's seen in the second version is the ability to make groups with your clients. Sendiio 2.0 is the only autoresponder available in the market with this feature. By making a group with your customer you can easily and efficiently deal with individual campaigns and prevent any misunderstandings between the two parties. The clients can also get sub-access to their group and can view the proceeding or make their own campaigns. C. SMS text bot replies. Taking the two-way messaging a little further, the developers have also added an automated bot reply feature. So, you don't have to reply to everyone yourself. Sendiio 2.0 will automatically reply on your behalf based on different keywords in the incoming text message. D. Stats system for campaigns. This newly incorporated feature keeps track of your campaign's progress and provides visualization to help you better understand your subscribers' dynamics, in turn, helping you shape your projects in a way that is more suitable for your following. E. Double opt-in. Another feature that Sendiio has successfully incorporated into the new release is having double opt-in. Along with it, custom confirmation emails have also been added, which allows the user to completely customize his emails. F. WYSIWYG Editor. Apart from these, there are also many other features the platform has to offer. WYSIWYG Editor, combined with some powerful third-party integrations, Sendiio 2.0 is undoubtedly one of the best autoresponder applications available in the market. G. Auto Link Swapper. The Auto Link Swapper lets you correct your mistakes in case you sent out a wrong link. Within a few seconds, you can change the link and send out the correct one, to make sure traffic and income keeps coming. H. Importing any type of file. Importing files might be challenging on an autoresponder application system. Currently, the top-of-the-line autoresponders available in the market offer this feature. However, it comes with a long and exhausting process, that too without the guarantee if the file will be imported successfully at the end. Sendiio 2.0 removes this struggle by providing a simple import system through which you can easily export your list from any application and import it directly into Sendiio. Two-way texting. The application allows two-way texting, which is, without a doubt, another great feature Sendiio 2.0 has to offer. Now you can not only send messages to your subscribers but also chat with them like on a regular app. Here is my experience in using Sendiio. Note, in order to make Sendiio 2.0 review for you, I requested a review account to access to this product as tester. You can trust everything in my review. Talking about real user experience, the dashboard is extremely user-friendly and lets you have full control over your content, subscribers and campaigns. Sendiio can prove to be a powerful tool for making your business successful and skyrocketing the profits. The dashboard lets you keep track of your lists, subscribers, spam reports and emails in just one place so you don't have to browse between different tabs, making it extremely easy and fun to use. It also includes a Quick Actions box that lets you edit and manage your account, lists, emails and phone numbers with just one click. The interface features a column on the left-hand side with different functionality listed in form of tabs that can be accessed with just a single click. Keeping track of your bonuses, purchases, emails and texts can also be done through this column. If you're new to the dashboard and have no clue how to go about it, Sendiio 2.0 has incorporated a list of tutorials for you to get to know the platform a little better. From Facebook Messenger to SMS texts, emails, updates, ringtones and Twitter direct messages, the tutorials explain everything in great detail. The tutorials can be accessed from the Help tab below the dashboard. For each application, there are several videos that explain different functions that you can carry out. For example, for the Facebook Messenger, the videos explain how to establish connection, set up a welcome message for your lists, create a chatbot, personalize bot replies, add comments and auto-replies, and create a follow-up sequence. Further, the email section lets you make lists, export lists, keep track of your tags and spam complaints. Similarly, there are different tabs for every social platform that you use within the dashboard, which makes it very convenient to manage different sites and keep track of your ongoing campaigns. It also prevents your content from getting mixed up amongst the different social media sites. The most important feature that the platform offers is its Facebook and SMS integration. Making life easier of many, you can easily access the two from the functionality column with just a few clicks. Pressing on the Facebook tab opens a drop-down menu that lets you manage and add your Facebook pages to the platform and also update your bot replies. Similarly, the SMS option keeps track of your lists, phone numbers, broadcasts and SMS replies. You can add new phone numbers and lists directly from the dashboard as well. The automated reply features a manual reply, bot reply and customized bot reply tabs that lets you enjoy the services without getting overwhelmed by switching between options. In case you run into any problems, there's also a support section which provides contact details of professionals that can help you overcome the obstacle. There's also a Sendiio Academy that allows you to watch a series of videos to help make your business more profitable and attractive for your subscribers. To sum up, saying that Sendiio is user-friendly would be an understatement. No matter what your technical expertise are, the new upgrade makes sure you're comfortable with the environment and face no issue in getting to know the platform. Further, in the world of businesses, autoresponders play a key role in making your startup or company successful. Sendiio 2.0 is an ideal application with a range of functionality and social media sites integrated into one platform. With its affordable payment plan and top-of-the-line features, Sendiio 2.0 is definitely one of the best. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Full access to all three platforms, email, text and FB Messenger. 2. Create unlimited email marketing, text message, Facebook Messenger campaigns. 3. Easily import unlimited emails and phone numbers. 4. No monthly fees during our charter members opening. 5. Import 3,000 email leads. 6. Import 3,000 phone numbers. 7. Collect an unlimited amount of FB Messenger subscribers. 8. Create up to 50 lists for your email and text subscribers. 9. Connect up to 5 FB pages to automate their FB Messenger. 10. Build up to 10 opt-in forms for email and phone number campaigns. 11. Create up to 10 message follow-up sequences for email, text and FB Messenger. 12. Create 20 one-time broadcast campaigns per month for email, text and FB Messenger. 13. Send up to 10,000 emails, texts and FB Messenger messages. 14. Connect to any premium SMTP provider. 15. View in-depth stats for all your email campaigns. 16. Full click stats for your text campaigns. 17. Automatic removal of bounced emails for amazing list hygiene. 18. Easily resend your email campaigns based on your subscribers' activity for more targeted results. 19. Set up an automatic welcome message for every new Messenger subscriber. 20. Set up to 10 keyword-based chatbot replies for your FB pages. Cons. I have not discovered yet. Sendiio 2.0 OTO and price. Note, please note that here are just Sendiio 2.0 OTO links for your reference. You must purchase FAI first and then upgrade if you want to unlock powerful features. Do not buy them lonely. If you do this, you receive nothing and you have to spend your time on asking for refund process. Sendiio 2.0 OTO Number 1, Sendiio 2.0 Academy, $67. This is training system that allows you to learn. 1. The method to build a massive list of raging leads who are ready to purchase anything you recommend. 2. How to leverage the power of other people's blogs and niche sites to generate targeted traffic to your opt-in pages. 3. SEO optimization technique to drive massive amounts of free traffic and subscribers from Google. 4. The way to make your blog to become the authority in any niche and get subscribers daily. 5. The right method to use video marketing to drive thousands of free visitors to your blog and opt-in pages. 6. Exact content syndication system to make as much free traffic and subscribers as you can handle, and much more. Sendiio 2.0 OTO number 2, Elite version, $27 to $37. Sendiio Elite package allows you to use vendor servers and SMTP to send your campaigns, that just like all the other major autoresponders like Orba and GetResponse. Right now, you could bypass all the technical setup of setting up your SMTP, and all you have to do is literally Step 1. Input the email and reply to email you want to send from, and then click Add. Step 2. Assign your new Elite account to your different email lists. Step 3. And send your campaigns. What are you getting inside Sendiio Elite? 1. Import up to 20,000 subscribers. 2. Connect to vendor premium SMTP in seconds. 3. Send unlimited emails per month. 4. Leverage vendors' premium IP address. 5. Get higher, faster and better delivery. 6. DKIM and SPF setup. DFY 7. Bounce and complaint removal. DFY 8. Zero technical setup on your part. 9. Log in and be ready to send within 60 seconds, plus you get all the agency features as well. Sendiio 2.0 OTO number 2, VA license, $47. This allow you to create sub-accounts and allow someone to create, schedule and send campaigns on your behalf without ever compromising your leads. With VA feature ensures that you can leverage the power of outsourcing, while protecting your most valuable asset, your subscribers. And you can literally create a unique sign-up link for your VA in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Clicking Create New Subaccount. Step 2. Selecting the level of access you'd like them to have and click Create. Step 3. Just simply copy the unique sign-up link and send it to your VA. Sendiio 2.0 OTO number 4, Sendiio Booster, $47. This allows you to schedule both of these emails to be sent out under the same campaign completely hands-free. Sendiio will send out your first email at your desired time, and then you'll be able to automatically tell Sendiio how many hours after the first email you'd like your evening email to be sent to those that did not open the first email. And you'll also be able to set a different subject line to be used as well. Sendiio allows you to schedule a full day's worth of profit under one campaign. Sendiio 2.0 OTO number 5, Email Ramp, $67. Email Ramp is a software that gives you access to over 999 subscriber bonding, cash churning and sales generating emails that will double, triple or even quadruple your email marketing results. This software is super easy to use. All you need to do is select your niche and then the email type you want. You will then be greeted with hundreds of emails you can use or swipe that purpose. Plus, when you purchase this software, you also access to the Email Ramp Club Obsessed. This club helps you to customize the emails inside Email Ramp, send the emails inside Email Ramp to your VA, marketing team or partner to review and use in your campaigns. Final thought, as you now Sendiio allows you to combine all 3 of these wildly profitable marketing channels as email, Facebook, SMS into one dashboard and generate sales on every platform that your target customers are on. You can now log into just one dashboard and skyrocket your profits. Now, this product come back with 2.0 version. In this version is included new features, optimized features, and completely revamped features. I think this version will useful for your business, so don't miss out it. Remember, Sendiio can easily be a monthly fee right out of the gate, and don't forget use my Sendiio 2.0 coupon code to save your cash. Thanks for reading my Sendiio 2.0 review.